Hello guys, this is Nishant, and in this video session we are going to learn that how can you get these numbers from the users. In last session we had discussed about it's a static numbers x equals to 10 and y equals to 20, and we are performing just x plus y. So here in this video we are going to learn that how can you get these numbers from the users. So first just delete these known numbers, and to get the numbers from the user we need to write in the very first line there is a keyword import java.util.scanner. So here we are just telling that compiler that we are going to import a scanner class, but a scanner class is available in our system. Like in C drive you can have one Java folder. Inside Java folder we are having util folder, and inside util folder you can have a scanner class. So just we are providing the complete path to the class A, that where the scanner class is located in my system. But if you want to access any class, so we must need to create object for that class. So here, so create the object for the scanner class. So this is the way to create object. So write the name of the class, that is scanner. Object name, it could be anything, equals to new and scanner, and here inside the braces you can write the system.in. So here scanner is the class name, this is the object, and the new is used to allocate the memory, and this is the constructor, and system.in, like you can see over here that system.out is used to display some output on the output screen, but system.in it is used to get the input at the runtime. So whatever user will enter any number, so that number would be stored in SO, but I don't need that number in this SO. We need to store in X, Y, Z. So just for the sake of user understanding, just we are providing one message to the user, like enter the value of X. So user will get to understand that what he should do. So here, so after seeing this message, user has entered suppose 10, so that number has been stored in this SO, that is SO is object of scanner class, and but I don't need that particular value in SO, I need that particular value in X. So here we are assigning that value of SO into X. Now there is an inbuilt method of a scanner class, that is a next int, and this method is used to accept the integer type of value. Suppose you are using float value, so in my case it's an integer, so here we need to use next int. Suppose it's a float, so here it should be next float. If it's a double, so it's a next double method. So it is an inbuilt method to accept the integer value, and we are accepting that integer value and we are storing into X. So whatever user has entered that value we are storing in a scanner object, and from scanner object we are assigning that value into X, that is our variable, and this is the method to accept the integer value. So first number user has entered and we are storing in X. Now same process we have to do for the Y. So now user will get this message, enter the value of Y, and again user has entered any number, that number has been stored in SO, but I need that number in variable Y, so just we are assigning this value into Y. So now user had entered any number, that number we are storing in X and Y. So now we have variable Z, and inside the Z we are performing one arithmetic operation, X plus Y, and here we are printing the value of X, Y and Z. Just save this program and compile this program and run this program. So here you can see that enter the value of x, and it's a blinking means it's a demanding number from you. So we can type any number from our keyword like 10. So this 10 would be stored in x, but first it will be stored in this object, and after this object this value would be stored in x. So once you will press enter, so you will get another message like enter the value of y, and now it's a time to give the number for the y. So second number, suppose I have given 50, press enter, you will get the message the sum of 10 and 50 is 60. So this is the way to get the number from the users. If any kind of number like integer, float, double string, character, anything you can get from the user. So first we need to import the scanner class, and then we need to create the object and assigning the value from object to our variables, and just perform the operation and you will get the answer. So this is the way to get any number from the user, and in the next session we will see how can you get any string value and how can you get the character value from the user. So that's it for the today, and thanks guys, and in the next session we will see some next topic of the Java. Thank you.